Okay, that's good. And you mentioned quite a few buzzwords I want to get into. Help me and the millions of lay people listening to this. Can you explain 5G and metaverse, exactly what that is, so that we can kind of get an understanding of that?
Yeah, of course. So 5G, I guess we'll start with 5G. 5G is the next level of wireless communication, right? Wireless network connectivity. So, from the early days of the cell phone in the 90s and 2000s, when we started to use more mobile internet, with the different, generations of wireless connectivity. 5G is being hailed as kind of the, the golden child, because it's going to allow for a lot more IoT applications to take place. That's really the hope and the dream of a lot of people. So I know 5G is a big buzzword right now. I think it's very important that people understand that market penetration for 5G is still, not anywhere near where it will be in a few years. We hear the word, it's very popular for marketing, but it's still kind of a couple of years away from being fully integrated as a network solution for all of us. They've designed the network, but they're still implementing it, if that makes sense. So the engineers have designed the 5G network, and they know how it's going to roll out, but we're still in the process of physically doing that, going to different towers, going to different pieces of hardware and swapping out components to make 5G accessible. But yeah, the exciting thing about 5G, the big leap there is the ability to utilize 5G with IoT technology, which is Internet of Things, which is being able to connect devices and make them smart, right? That could be, a lot of people say, the washing machine, the refrigerator. I don't really need my refrigerator to tell me when I'm out of orange juice, but if you look at, like I can clearly see, I'm getting low on the OJ. But where it really becomes an amazing tool is when you look at autonomous driving in major cities, when you look at different types of transportation devices and their ability to network and talk to each other and talk to inanimate objects and make them smart. I think those are the real powerful applications for it. Or, even having like a warehouse completely automated, with AI, like all those machines that are doing the automation in that manufacturing plant, they need to be able to communicate with each other. So that's where, 5G and these speeds really make things special.